Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a TP-Link Deco network using Deco app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your TP-Link Deco system. Ensure you have your Deco units, power adapters, and Ethernet cable ready. Choose a central location in your home to place your main Deco unit. Connect your main Deco unit to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Plug the power adapter into the main Deco unit, then into an electrical outlet. Wait for the LED light on the Deco unit to turn solid orange. Download the Deco app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the Deco app and create a TP-Link ID if you don't have one. Log in to your TP-Link account. The app will prompt you to add a new Deco. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your Deco model. The app will then ask you to scan the QR code on the bottom of the Deco unit. After scanning the QR code, the app will guide you through the setup process. Choose your preferred Wi-Fi network name and password. Once you've entered your information, tap Next to continue. The app will now begin configuring your Deco network. Wait for the setup to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once the setup is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on the app. Add any additional Deco units by selecting that Add Deco option in the app. Follow the prompts to place and connect each additional unit. After all units are connected, the app will optimize your network. You can manage your network settings through the Deco app anytime. Now you're ready to connect your devices to your new Deco network. Enjoy fast and reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.